Alright, boys. Just got totally stopped out fucking right away. This was my trade setup right here. Literally in one candle. This trade lasted a minute. um, it's all good. Um, was really not expecting today's price action. Just completely took all time highs. Like crazy strong. CPI was high impact, obviously. I didn't think it would be this high impact, but it fucking, bro. The 8 hour candle just took out all this shit. So, or I mean, the 4 hour candle, 8 o'clock candle open, took out all this shit. So, you know, um, nothing insane or anything. I mean, it's just another Wednesday in the market. But yeah, I was just not expecting it to be that violent upwards. And I was expecting, obviously, a little bit of a retracement, which is why I entered the short, which I had full conviction of. I thought it would be right. Obviously, I think every trade that I'm about to take is right, but you know what I mean? Like, confidently take it. Especially after this. I didn't, I could have been a dumbass. Like, me 2 years ago, or just 6 months ago, would have probably taken a setup around here, seen this candle, and been like, alright, we're reversing. But I waited for, I guess what I didn't wait for was break of prominent lows instead of these little pussy lows. Like, I should have waited for that break right there. That probably would have been the best setup now that I look at it. Um, but it's a paper trade. Still, still paper trade. I almost dude. I was about to enter this, and I looked down here and it said trade of 8, and I was like, oh fuck. Switch it to paper trading real quick, dude. Thank God I looked because normally I don't. Um, I mean, it wouldn't have been much. I only lost 55 on this because trading with two micros, so it's literally 55 ticks is $55. Same here. This was 199 was 299 profit. Um, but it's all good. I mean, I knew the possibility of us trading sideways after taking all-time highs was a thing like that I had to look out for. So I'm not tripping too bad on it, but apart from that, I mean, yeah, the only real thing I could have done better was wait for the take of this low. As also, there's the nearest draw on liquidity is down here with these. I mean, there's no real key levels within this other than just imbalances. So I was thinking we would come down to at least fill out um, the equilibrium. Just like down to here, and that would have filled this imbalance out. We'll probably end up doing that tomorrow. I hope we trade sideways for the day, because I don't take more than one trade per day, so I hope to be able to take that because that's an easy setup to take. What I have a feeling will happen throughout the rest of New York session is like this. Oh shit, that one not good. That's horrible. Oh my god. Yeah, something like that. Like, you know what I mean? Not really, but I don't know why I'm trying to draw this out, bro. Basically, what I mean is just stay within this range right here, and then hopefully tomorrow take and then come down and fill. Oh shit. Um, Obviously I don't know exactly what's gonna happen because I'm not Warren Buffett, but I do have some solid knowledge type shit. So I can tell you that this imbalance at one point or another by the end of the week will get filled. This open this little little John right here, this little John, this whole little John is gonna get filled right here. I'm gonna tell you that with pure confidence. I was not really expecting us to be this bullish today. This is fucking crazy, bro. Midnight open to fucking market open is like nuts, dude. That's a fucking move, bro. But yeah, other than that, crypto, in terms of crypto, Pepe moving strong, holding this support right here. Um, Actually creating a pretty strong bullish uptrend if you look at this right here. Um, Nice trend line right there. Hopefully we get some more rigs up. I don't know. Chill guy and Katana looking damn near the same. Um, I'd say right now is a great entry point. If you got some more extra bread, I'd chuck a few, bro. You never know, dog. 3 cents, chuck in 100 bones, 200 bones. You might see 1,000 in a few months. So, it could be worth it. I'm just saying. Um, this one too. I mean, not right now. I wouldn't chuck right now. I feel like now it's a little too high. We're like nearing all-time highs, and I don't know. If I were to buy Pepe right now, I'd want to see these levels again. XRP, same thing. Holding resistance pretty strong. I mean, holding support pretty strong. Broke through this level of support the other day, but it went right back through it. Apart from that, we had this demand zone that did not get tapped. So I'm expecting another leg down on this, mainly because this one went up with Bitcoin. So I feel like once the Ethereum bull run begins, once the real Ethereum move starts, XRP is probably going to quiet down. So yeah, FET, not much to say on FET. Bitch is just doing his thing, you know what I mean? He just in his own world for real. He really quiet for real. He funny as hell though. But he just like, well, he know you type shit. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for today. Fuck. Yeah, dude. I need this shit to start moving, bro. I need this shit to start moving, bro. I've been looking through Facebook Marketplace like a motherfucker, bro. Daddy needs a Beamer. About to sell my car. It's a little something I've been doing, buying and selling whips. And after this one sells, I'm gonna have a little capital. Might sit on it for a bit, drive around in the bucket. I have a little bucket that I had in high school, that my dad doesn't really use anymore. So save a little bread, drive that bitch around for a bit, and then end up getting a few more bones in the crypto space, perhaps maybe a few more bones in my stock portfolio, and we'll just let it ride, bro, because I'm here for the long run, dog. I'm not trying to burn out and fucking, because a lot of day traders, what they do is they'll try way too hard to make money too fast, and then once they have money, they blow it because they're not being smart with what they have. But if you're in for the long run and you invest properly, like, day trading is cool, but also know how to invest your money. Don't just fucking trade, because trading can be like gambling. Trading and gambling, there's a fine line between trading and gambling on this shit. Like a real fine line, bro. Because the second that you start just fucking losing it and taking random shit, like right now, for example, even though I'm paper trading, I'm doing good practices by taking this and not taking it again, because I know that it's probably going to come down. I know that this is what's probably going to happen, because we're not going to double take all-time highs over and over again. But like, I seen this, I could have had my stops right here and same TP for a better risk reward, a better profit, and I'm not going to take it. I didn't do that because I know my rules, bro. One trade a day. Make sure that you time it right, and if you miss it, it's fine. But because I trade on a 50K account, I'm not trying to lose fucking $200 a day. At most, I'm willing to lose $75 to $90. That's my max, right? So you got to be disciplined enough to tell yourself that this is it, I'm done. But right here, this trade I have marked out, I'm gonna leave it marked out because this is probably what's gonna happen. I'd like to. Oops, sorry. I'm like fucking, I'd say 85% confident in this. This is exactly what I thought about taking right before I filmed, right before I pressed OBS. I was like, you could hop in this again, but would I do that if I was on my live account? No, perfect practice makes perfect, not just, half-ass practice. You ever heard how Kobe was at practice doing fucking behind the back layovers or layups and fucking all kind of crazy shit that he would only do in game? That's why he was so good, is because he did all that shit at practice like he was playing in game. It's that Mamba mentality. You gotta take this shit how you would take it on your live account. Take it serious, because if you fucking, bro, too many times where I fucking entered on some shit thinking it was gonna go my way, and then it doesn't, and then right after it goes through my stop loss, I get one candle towards what I wanted, and I take it again and end up losing double what I lost, just because I was being cocky and thinking that, like, oh, I'm gonna make it back. That's the same thing as those motherfuckers in Vegas that are fucking stuck in the casino, don't have any money because they blew it all. Now they have to stay in Vegas because they can't afford to fly home. That's how that shit goes. So, there's a real fine line between gambling and trading, and you gotta be able to control yourself. Because if you don't, then you're better off just hopping on stake. To be honest, get on stake and fucking put $100 in there and spin fucking jack. What's that shit called? Slots. Go spin slots until you hit. You probably have a better chance of making money on that than trading, if you're gonna gamble. That's what I'm saying. But if you do trading the right way, you can make a job out of it. But always remember to not only just day trade, to also, look at some stocks and get some positions in and hold it, and buy lows. Same with crypto. Crypto, I don't really trade. I don't see a real point in trading crypto. Just because it's kind of unpredictable. Like, it's really, it kind of moves like stock market a little bit in terms of taking liquidity and shit, but sometimes it just fucking rigs up with no regret at all. Like this kind of shit right here. You know what I mean? This is just hard to read. So I just don't waste my time. I just buy lows. and just wait. So yeah. Besides that, it's Wednesday, middle of the week. I didn't take anything yesterday because I didn't wake up for market open. But my sleep schedule's been kind of fucked recently. I've been having trouble sleeping. Go to bed at like 10, roll around for a couple hours, and then fall asleep at like 2. So, last night I fell asleep at like 1:30, and I woke up today at 5:45. So hopefully my sleep schedule's fixed, because I'm tired of fucking waking up late, dude. I hate it, bro. The most locked in I was right when I passed my funded, which was in July or June. So, some food for thought. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.